What's up, Mississauga, Ontario? My name is Alex, and me and my team here at Black and Yellow Pavement, we eat parking lots for breakfast. Today, we're gonna take you through the process of crack sealing, seal coating, and striping this parking lot in Mississauga. Let's see how we do. That's a wrap, Mississauga, out here at Dadco, Canada. This parking lot looks absolutely incredible. Hey, if you're looking to seal coat your parking lot anywhere in the GTA, there's only one team to call, and that's our team here at Black and Yellow Pavement. Give us a call. We'd be happy to chat with you and see how we can help you out with your parking lot.